Next problem. Find the direct and transverse common tangent for the given circles. X square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. So given circles are: first circle x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0. Second circle x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. Let C1, C2 be the center of first and second circles, and similarly R1 and R2 are the radius of the 1 and 2 respectively. So 1 implies the coefficient of x, 2g1, that is equal to 22, g1 equal to 11. 2 f1, that is coefficient of y, minus 4, f1 equal to minus 2, and c1 is the constant term, that is minus 100. So c1 minus g, center of the first circle, minus g1 minus f1, that is equal to minus 11 minus of minus 2 plus 2, and radius of the first circle r1, which is equal to root of g1 square plus f1 square minus c1, that is equal to root of 11 square plus minus 2 square minus of minus 100. So you will get 15, r1 equal to root 225, that is equal to 15. So 2 implies the coefficient of x, 2 g2 is equal to minus 22, so g2 is equal to minus 11, 2 f2 is equal to 4, f2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to 100. So c1, the center of the second circle, minus g2 minus f2, that is equal to minus of minus 11, that is 11 comma minus 2, and r2, the radius of the second circle, root of g2 square plus f2 square minus c2, that is equal to root of minus 11 square plus 2 square minus 100, that is equal to root 25, that is equal to 5. Now the distance between the center of the first circle and second circle, that is c1 c2, that is equal to, using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here x1 y1 is the first circle center, that is minus 11 2, and x2 y2 is the second circle center, that is 11 comma minus 2. So 11 minus minus 11 square plus minus 2 square. So you will get root of 500, that is equal to 5 into 100, that is root 5, 10 root 5, right? So that is equation number 3. Now r1 plus r2, sum of the radius of the two circles, 15 plus 5, that is equal to 20, that is 4. Now the circle, second circle, so if we know that if c1 c2 is greater than r1 plus r2 and r1 not equal to r2, then the circles are not touching each other, right? In this case, both the internal and the external center of similitudes are exist, and the internal center of similitude P divides the line C1 C2 internally in the ratio R1 is to R2, and the external center of similitude Q divides the line C1 C2 externally in the ratio R1 is to R2, right? There are 4 common tangents, right? So these are the, that is transverse and direct common tangent. P is the point of intersection of transverse, Q is the point of intersection of direct common tangent. C1 is just moved, that one, that is here only, right? We know that the point Pxy which divides the line x1 y1 and x2 y2, the ratio m is to n internally, coordinate of that point is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here x1 y1 is minus 11 2, x2 y2 is 11 comma minus 2, m is to n is r1 is to r2, that is 15 is to 5. Therefore the pxy, right, that is equal to 15 into 11 plus 5 into minus 11 by 15 plus 5, comma 15 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2 by 15 plus 5, that is pxy is equal to 11 by 2 comma minus 1. We know that the point qxy which divides the line joining the point q1 y1 and x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n externally, then coordinate of q is given by mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So here x1 y1 is same, minus 11 to x2 y2 11 comma minus 2, and r1 is to 15 is to 5. So q x comma y, coordinate of q, which is equal to 15 into 11 minus 5 into minus 11 by 15 minus 5, comma 15 into minus 2 minus 5 into 2 by 15 minus 5. So q x comma y is equal to 22 comma minus 4, right, to find the direct common tangents, right. So this is the center, right, and q 22 minus 4. So let m be the slope of the direct common tangent. The direct common tangents pt1 and pt2 passes through the point q 22 minus 4. Hence the equation of the common tangent is y minus y1, which is equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 equal to 22 minus 4. The equation of the common tangent is y minus minus 4, which is equal to m into x minus 22. So we are using slope point form, right, the equation of the straight line, right. So mx plus mx minus y minus 4 plus m22 equal to 0, right, that is equation number 5. To find the slope m, here c1 t1 is the perpendicular distance from c1, right, because c1 t1 is the radial line, right, which is perpendicular to the distance of the common tangent from 5, right, that is qt1. We know that the perpendicular distance from the point x1 y1 to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Therefore c1 t1, which is equal to m into minus 11 minus 1 into 2 minus 4 plus 22 m by root of 1 plus m square, because here the line is the tangent equation. So that is why that is equation number, that is 3, right. So this one, that is 5, right, mx minus y minus 4 plus m22. So x term, y term, constant term, that is equation number 5. So from we are using that, that is the straight line, right, linear equation in x and y, that is pt1 qt1 equation. So we are using that one. So m coefficient of x minus 11 minus 1 coefficient of y into 2 minus constant term 4 plus 22 m by root of 1 plus m square. So this implies c1 t1 equal to minus 32 m minus 6 by root of 1 plus m square, that is equation number 6. c1 t1 is nothing but r1, that is equal to 15, radius of the first circle, that is equation number 7. From 6 and 7 equating both, minus 32 m minus 6 by root of 1 plus m square equal to 15. So taking minus common in the numerator, minus 33 m plus 6 by root of 1 plus m square equal to 15. Taking modulus, right, so you will get positive value, 33 m plus 6 by root of 1 plus m square equal to 15. Do the cross multiplication, 33 m plus 6 is equal to 15 into root of 1 plus m square, right. So we are taking 3 outside common, so 3 into 11 m plus 2 equal to 15 into root of 1 plus m square. 3 and 15 get cancelled, so 11 m plus 2, which is equal to 5 root of 1 plus m square. Squaring both sides, 11 m plus 2 square, which is equal to 5 square root of 1 plus m square the whole square. So using a plus b whole square formula, 11 m square 121 m square plus 2 square 4 plus 2 into 11 into m 44 m, which is equal to 5 square 25, then 1 plus m square. So 121 m square, and left hand side you are having 25, sorry, right hand side you are having 25 m square, take it to the left hand side, minus 25 m square, then plus 44 m plus 4, then on the right hand side you are having 25, take it to the left hand side of the equality, so minus 25 equal to 0. So you will get 96 m square plus 44 m minus 21 equal to 0. So we are factorizing that one, 96 m square plus 72 m minus 28 m minus 21 equal to 0. So we are taking 24 m common, take it outside, 4 m plus 3, then minus 7 is common in the second two terms, so minus 7 third term and fourth term we are grouping. First two term we are grouping, then third and fourth. Minus 7 is common, take it outside. 4m plus 3, so 24m minus 7 into 4m plus 3 equal to 0. So 24m minus 7 equal to 0, or 4m plus 3 equal to 0. So m equal to, take that 7 to the right hand side plus 7, then take the 24 to the right hand side by 24, 7 by 24. Or similarly for the second term, m is equal to minus 3 by 4, that is equation number 8. Put m is equal to 7 by 24 in equation number 5. The equation of the common tangent is 7 by 24 x minus y minus 4 plus 7 by 24 into 22 equal to 0. Taking 1 by 24 as a LCM, take 24 as LCM, take it outside. So 7x minus 24 into y minus 24y plus 24 into 4 minus 96 plus 7 into 22, 154 equal to 0. So 124 get cancelled, because other side of the equality we are having 0, right? So the remaining term 7x minus 24y minus 250 equal to 0, right? Put m is equal to minus 3 by 4 in 5, the equation of the another common tangent, right? Minus 3 by 4x minus y minus 4 minus 3 by 4 into 22 equal to 0. Take 4 is a LCM, common LCM, so take 1 by 4 outside. So minus 3x minus 4y minus 16 minus 66 equal to 0. So you will get minus 3x minus 4y minus of minus 50 equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 50 equal to 0, right? To find the equation of the transverse common tangents. So previously we saw two direct common tangent equations, right? We derived already. Now we are going to transverse common tangent, right? So these are the point of intersection is P. P we know 11 by 2 minus 1, right? Let m be the slope of the transverse common tangent. The transverse common tangent P T3 and P T4, right? Passes through the point P 11 by 2 comma minus 1. Hence the equation of the common tangent is y minus y1. We are using point slope form of the equation, straight line equation, right? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is 11 by 2 minus 1, because the common tangent passes through the point P, right? So substituting the value y minus 1 equal to m into x minus 11 by 2. So y plus 1 equal to m by 2, 2x minus 11. Do the cross multiplication, 2y plus 1 which is equal to m into 2x minus 11. So you will get 2y plus 2 which is equal to 2mx minus 11m. Take all the left hand side terms to the right hand side. So 2mx minus 2y minus 2 plus 11m equal to 0. So this is a linear equation, straight line equation, which represent the equation of the tangent, right? Common tangent, that is equation number 11. To find the slope m, C1 T3 is perpendicular distance from C1 minus 11 to the common tangent. So from the center C1 minus 11 to 2 to the common tangent, right? 9. Because common tangent equation is already there, that is why we are mentioning 9. So C1 T1 is the C1 T3 is the radius, right? Radius line is always perpendicular to the tangent line, because that is a normal. We know that perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, this is the formula, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So instead of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we are taking equation 9, right? So x1 y1 is nothing but minus 11 2. Substituting the value, C1 T3 is equal to 2m into minus 11 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 11m by root of 2 square plus 2m square. So you will get C1 T3 is equal to minus 33m plus 6 by 2 into root of 1 plus m square. That is equation number 10. C1 T3 is nothing but the radius of the first circle, that is R1, that is equal to 15. So that is 7. That is 11th equation, already there in 7, right? So from from these two equations, last two equations, that is 10 and 11. So the number is wrong, right? You take it as 11, right? So from 10 and 11, not 9 and 10, right? Instead of 7 you put 11, because already there seventh equation same like this one only, right? There we are taking C1T3, right? R1 radius, that is also 15 only, that is what. So otherwise you take 7 and 10, both are equal. 33m plus 6 by 2 into root of 1 plus m square equal to 15. Do the cross multiplication and take the 3 outside. So 3 into 11m plus 2 is equal to 30 into root of 1 plus m square. So 11m, so you can cancel 3 and 30. So 11m plus 2 is equal to 10 into root of 1 plus m square. Squaring both sides, 11m plus 2 the whole square equal to 100 into 1 plus m square. So expanding 121m square plus 4 plus 44m plus, which is equal to 100 plus 100m square. So 121m square minus 100m square plus 44m plus 4 minus 100 equal to 0. So that implies 21m square minus 28m plus 72m minus 96 is equal to 0. We are factorizing that equation, right? 21m square, then 44m minus 96, right? We are factorizing that one. 7m is common, 7m into 3m minus 4 plus 24 into 3m minus 4, 3m minus 4 into 7m plus 24. So 3m minus 4 equal to 0 or 7m plus 24 equal to 0. M equal to 4 by 3 or minus 24 by 7. Put m is equal to 4 by 3 in equation number 9, the equation of the common tangent, transverse common tangent, right? 2 into 4 by 3 into x minus 2y minus 2 plus 11 into 4 by 3 equal to 0. So taking 3 as a common LCM, take it 1 by 3 outside, 8x minus 6y minus 6 plus 44 equal to 0. So you will get 4x minus 3y minus 25 equal to 0. Put m is equal to minus 24 by 7 in 9. The equation of the another common tangent, transverse common tangent, is 2 into minus 24 by 7 into x minus 2y minus 2 plus 11 into minus 24 by 7. Taking 7 as common LCM, take it 1 by 7 outside, minus 48x minus 14y minus 14 minus 2 64. So you will get 24x plus 7y minus 125 equal to 0, right? Thanks. These are all the transverse. Last two is transverse common tangent. Previously we saw direct common tangents equation, right? Thanks.